She's a groupie. She's staring at me and want me to see. She's a groupie. Looking for love in all the wrong places. Groupie. Begging for attention, trying to tell me she's not a groupie. Always backstage and in a nigga face like a groupie. In a provocative where she be at all the shows. The type to hook up with bodyguards to get through them doors. Never relentless, her mission goes way beyond the picture. A piece of paper with a message or a signature. I think the dream she possessed somewhere to marry niggas. She living for the moment and dying to get noticed. I can't get caught up in the mix and end up losing focus. That's why I'm nowhere to be found and she left with the soldiers. They come a dime a dozen, it's all a part of culture. I mean it comes with the job, I cannot knock my hustle. Yeah, they sexy and they tempting and a load of trouble. With the hidden agenda just to get out the struggle. And me too, so excuse me for having to brush your bubble. Cause see my check is just for me, I don't know what you thought. I'm about to change the subject and you can get lost. But you can sit with the homies and end up getting lost. Groupie. She's staring at me and want me to see. She's a groupie. Looking for love in all the wrong places. Groupie. Begging for attention, trying to tell me she's not a groupie. Always backstage and in a nigga face like a groupie. Look at you showing off like you some pin-up model. Now you pinned to the sofa from a half a bottle. Girl just wanna have fun, she living by the motto. Okay, I'm cool with that, plus I'll be gone tomorrow. Sometimes I keep in touch, but others not so much. We get busy for a while and then it's hang-ups. Cause time is money and I spend mine wisely. So if you after what I'm after, then you sound like wifey. You get a one-night trial to see if you right for me. I mean do everything I like I were Prince and King. And understand that cream and love lasts long as dreams. To make an impact, baby, and you can't get a chance. This ain't Monopoly, lady, so ain't no advance. You want me to take advantage, but I see through your plans. I think you need to grab your things and go mingle with fans. Cause I got a place to be, and that's in your past. She's a groupie. She's staring at me and want me to see. She's a groupie. Looking for love in all the wrong places. Groupie. Begging for attention, trying to tell me she's not a groupie. Always backstage and in a nigga face like a groupie.